Welcome to today's ArcGIS tutorial. I am Abhadip বিশ্বাস here with you. Currently, I am studying in Pune University of Engineering and Technology. Today, we will learn about map layout preparation. So, let's see the contents that we will be covering today. We will learn about layout view, page and print setup, rulers and adjustments before starting a map elements like title, legend, north arrow, graticules, scale bar, and exporting map as PDF. Now, to start working with any map layout, we have to enable a particular view where we could actually work with the map. This is layout view. So, to enable it, just go to view and enable the layout view. You can see the interface and the displayed content has changed a bit. Now we can work with the other things in the map. Before working with the map elements, we have to make sure that a particular paper size is selected for the map because we might want to print it later. To do that, we will go to File, then Page and Print Setup. Here we will choose A4 because this is the most common format for printing, but we may choose other sizes as well according to our needs. There are a lot of options that you can tweak here to get your particular paper size and margins. We will just go with this and click OK. One last adjustment that is left is the rulers. To make our map within borders and proportionally, we can use the rulers. Using rulers, we can use guides which will help in shaping the map. Let's learn the use of rulers and guides. You can see the rulers are already showing at the left and at the top. Right click on any of the ruler and click options. Then you will see some options. For our work, we will use inches, that is already selected, and for the smallest division, we will choose 1 by 4 and click OK. Now to set guide, you just have to click on a point where I want a guide. Suppose we want two guides of 0.25 inch side by side. So we will just click on the rulers. Before that, we need to zoom the map a little bit. Like we should click to zoom to layer and the map would be zoomed. Now for the guides, we just have to click on these lines. So for the first one we will click this line, and for the second one we will click this. Likewise we will complete the others. Now you are seeing that we have guides on the four sides of our paper. Now we will just drag this up and down and just snap the map to the guides. Zoom it a little bit down, and we are done with the shaping. Now we will learn about the map elements. So the first one is title. We can give the title using this insert button. So this insert button will ask for the title, but we can actually do this with another method, like we can go to file and we can go to the map document properties, and in the title section we can just give the map title and it will automatically appear when we click insert. So let's give this map a title like flood hazard classification of Bangladesh, and click OK. Now if we click insert and click title, you can see it has automatically appeared here. After title, we will give the map a north arrow. For that, simply go to insert again and click north arrow. Here are different options and styles for the north arrow. We will keep it as simple as possible. For our work, we'll select this north arrow and click OK. We can actually resize it. I will enlarge it a little bit and then move it to the top. This is looking somewhat right. Move it a bit left. Done. Next, we can actually add some gratules which will determine or show the coordinates of the map. So for that, we will go to the data frame and double click on the data frame, and we'll go to grids. We will select new grid, uh, and we will just accept all the default options for now, and then we will go to the properties. First, in the axis, we want only top and left. Just unselect the bottom and right, and then we'll go to the interior levels. We'll keep it as it is. Then for the main levels, we will just increase the font size a little bit. Then vertical levels. For vertical levels, we will select only the left side, and level axis only top and left. So bottom and right will be unselected. Then we'll go to the lines. Suppose we don't want to show the lines in the middle, or we just want to show the lines in the corners, so we will select the third option. And in the intervals, we may need to tweak this option a little bit. Let's see, just make it 30 for now and see what it applies. So this is how it's look after the reticule. I think the reticules are a little bit dense, so we can just make it more here. Now it's looking somewhat good. So this is how you can make grids and show coordinates in your map. Now we will add the scale bar, which indicates to what extent the map has a ratio with our paper size. So we'll click the insert and click on the scale bar. In the scale bar, we will select anything that is simple. I'm selecting this one because it is simple, so click it OK. Then just move it downward. And one lesson to be learned, that a scale bar wouldn't be so much complex. It must have small divisions, and all the numbers in the scale bars must be integer. You cannot use fraction in scale bars. So we will go to the properties of the scale bar, and we will select 2 on both divisions and subdivisions. Suppose we want meters as division unit, and then we'll keep the others option as it is and click apply and OK. So this is what it looks. Meters is looking a little bit more, so we can just adjust the division value and give adjust width. So division value, let's keep it 80,000 and click OK. Now it's looking much better, much better actually. So we will keep it as the scale bar. Along with this scale bar, we must go for scale text as well. It is recommended, not mandatory. So we'll select a scale text as well, as simple as that. So our scale text and scale bars are completed. One last but the most important element of the map is legend. So to add legend, we will go to insert and click legend. We will accept the default settings. Then we will just change the styles by going to the properties. From the style, we will select this one, horizontal single level only. Now it's looking more appropriate. Then we will align the legend panel with the borders. This is looking fine. Now we are complete with the map elements, but you can add some other elements by going to insert and then dynamic text. You can add current date, current time, username, the author, also coordinate system, and the data frame name also. That's all. Now that we have made a map, we must export it in order to preserve it. So for exporting, we will go to the file and then go to the export option, export map option. Then it will load a little bit. uh, Here we will give a name, like I will give flood hazard. So we can actually export in different options, but in our case we will export it as PDF. So we'll giving PDF. Then about the resolution, we will never go below 300 dpi. Our minimum resolution will be 300 dpi. Here are other options, but we will keep the default options and save it as PDF. Now if we want to view the exported map, we'll go to the directory and you can see our map is properly exported and it is almost lossless. It is not losing its quality after zooming. So our map making is done. Thank you for watching.